Hi guys, welcome to Indian Girl Trisha. Hope you all are doing well. You guys can see my hair looks so beautiful, so awesome. It feels so nourished. I'm just loving my hair. However, a year back, my hair was badly damaged. मेरे हेयर में डैमेज हेयर के जितने भी साइंस होते हैं ना वो सारा दिखता था, जैसे कि split ends, dehydrated strands, brittle texture and my hair that felt as stiff as straw. अभी आप यही सोच रहे होंगे what has been a complete game changer for my hair care routine. Let me introduce to you the LOreal Paris Total Repair 5 and it is enriched with Keratin XS. I discovered this range a year back and I have been using this range more than a year now. So वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले let me show you the condition of my hair that I had to go through. My hair needed a lot of nourishment. My hair felt always dull, dry, and it felt like my hair needs nourishment, some smoothing kind of effect to calm it down, make it more manageable and more disciplined. So as I told you, I have been using this range more than a year now and मुझे लगता है इतना लंबा टाइम यूज करने के बाद I can easily give a review of this range. So you are going to know what it is all about and my experience and how this product actually works. So I'm super excited to share my experience with the LOreal Paris Total Repair 5 enriched with magic ingredient Keratin XS. It includes LOreal Paris Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo, LOreal Paris Total Repair 5 Restoring Conditioner, LOreal Paris Total Repair 5 Smoothing and Repairing Serum. And the star of the show of this range is Keratin XS and ये जो हीरो ingredient है Keratin XS ये आपके हेयर को strengthen करता है, हेयर में shine add करता है, split ends को prevent करता है and the best thing is ये आपके हेयर के ऊपर एक shield create करता है against damage. सबसे पहले इसके पैकेजिंग के बारे में बातें करते हैं. सो टोटल रिपेयर रेंज की जो पैकेजिंग है सो ऐसे सिंपल से वाइट एंड रेड के पैकेजिंग में आता है एंड ये जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन है ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिंपल, अट्रैक्टिव एंड प्रीमियम लगती है मुझे. एंड ये जो बॉटल्स है काफ़ी स्टडी है बट एट द सेम टाइम बहुत ही लाइट वेट है. सो यू कैन ईजिली कैरी दिस बॉटल वाइल ट्रैवलिंग. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हाउ आई यूज दिस रेंज. First up, the Repairing Shampoo. It comes in a flip-flop cap. The texture is smooth and it comes in plain white color and the consistency is medium creamy kind of. And it smells great too. This shampoo is paraben free, revives damaged hair without weighting it down. Next, the Restoring Conditioner. It comes in a superb looking bottle which is to be kept in an inverted way. The packaging makes the task of getting out the conditioner very easy. The texture is creamy and smooth. It restores moisture, making hair shinier and smoother with fewer split ends. And my favorite, the Smoothing and Repairing Serum. The serum has light weight and gets absorbed easily. I use this serum on a damp hair and it's packed with ceramide and UV filters. It's create a protective shield against damage and split ends. So इस रूटीन को फॉलो करने के साथ साथ अगर आप अपने हेयर केयर रूटीन में और छोटे छोटे कुछ चीज़ों पे ध्यान दोगे तो आपको ह्यूज डिफरेंस देखने को मिलेगा. जैसे कि एवरी वॉश के बाद आपको टोटल रिपेयर 5 सीरम को अप्लाई करना है और इसी के साथ साथ वाइट टूथ कोम को हमेशा यूज कीजिए एंड अपने डैम्प हेयर को ड्राई करने के लिए माइक्रोफाइबर टाउल का इस्तेमाल कीजिए. ये सारी चीज़ें जो है बहुत ही सिंपल है बट डेफिनेटली एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिफरेंस क्रिएट कर सकता है आपके ओवरऑल हेयर के हेल्थ में. Now it's time for the result. Look at this results. My hair feels incredible, healthy, shiny and soft. Let me show you how my hair has transformed. The transformation has been so real, so wild. The LOreal Paris Total Repair 5 enriched with the magic ingredient Keratin XS has helped to repair the damaged hair and I love how my hair doesn't tangle, doesn't break and doesn't feel dry anymore. I feel like getting pretty hair cannot get any easier than this. If you want to fight those signs of damaged hair like split ends, brittle and damaged hair and the straw like stiff hair, then the answer for you is the Total Repair 5 with the Keratin XS because all of you know keratin is something that is awesome for your hair. On that note, I'll highly recommend this range. Go and check it out. I have left the purchase link in the description box. And your hair will thank you for sure. And thank you so much for joining me today. And don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to this channel for more such content. Stay beautiful and keep shining. Bye bye.